Let's start. Add corn oil 100 milliliters. Add garlic 100 grams. Use spatula. Garlic becoming little brown. Add onion 1 kilogram. Suck until the onion becoming little brown color. Add lemongrass 500 grams. Tie lemon leaves 8 pieces. Mix well. Close flame. Mix little. Keep its rest. Make roux. Add butter 150 grams. Add flour 150 grams. Mix well. Now roux ready. Mix coconut milk powder with hot water. Let's start with the curry sauce again. Add curry powder 8 teaspoons. Add tomato paste 400 grams. Add green curry paste 200 grams. Red curry paste 200 grams. Mix little. Add chicken stock powder 100 grams or chicken stock. Add 3 liters hot water. Boil a little. Add hot water 5 liters. Remove the foam at same time of forming. Add roux, use whisk and mix well. Use spatula and mix. Add coconut milk 400 grams. Change whisk to spatula and mix clockwise direction. Use hand blender. Use spatula. Remove the foam. Now the sauce is ready for filtering. Use strainer for the filtration. Now the sauce is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.